We see so many fitness influencers touting their oatmeal recipes, but is it really worth it? The honest truth about oatmeal is that it is a very quick, easy, and fairly healthy option for you to eat. One of the things that I like about oatmeal and why I think it leads a lot of people to losing weight is that it is incredibly filling. So by having a bowl of oatmeal with protein powder, powdered peanut butter, and a little bit of fruit, I'm clocking it at about 500 to 600 calories, and I will feel pretty full for multiple hours. Versus if I ate the same amount of calories in a sugary coffee and a donut, for example, I am likely not going to be nearly as full. In addition to this, oatmeal is a source of whole grains, which has a lot of great nutrients and fiber in it, which are also great health promoting options. Despite all of that though, oatmeal isn't a magic pill, and if you are adding a bunch of extra calories to this through nut butters, extra sugars and sweeteners, and then eating a bunch of other food on the side of your breakfast, which will ultimately inflate your calories, that's kind of defeating the purpose of this. So oatmeal isn't a magic food, but rather one of many health foods that is a great option to replace instead of something like a donut and sugary coffee for breakfast.